the way we get started is I just kind of drew this by hand, kind of a shape of a flip-flop where it kind of comes out, narrows where the arch of your foot is, and smaller in the back. Made two exactly the same. Made sure I did left and right so we don't have two cakes that are going like two left feet kind of thing. And what we have here is, I'm just going to place it on here. All right, we're going to just do an outline. It's rough. And then we're going to cut them. First I'm going to do is just cut the cake, and then I'll cut the board. Oops. As you see, we have just one little line here for both of the sandals. They kind of look like sandals already, because sandals are kind of straight, but I'm going to just scoot this over just a little if I can, and then cut my board in the middle there. Try to do this without dumping it on the floor. All right, I'm just going to handle one at a time, just so concentrate on one at a time. First, so we're going to just cut the board all the way around. Now with sandals, they are usually pretty square looking, but because we don't want to tear our fondant, I'm just going to just slightly round off the edges. Just take off the sharp points here. Now my cake's going to be a little crumbly. It has not been it's not in the freezer or the refrigerator. It can be done both ways. It's better if you have time to have it in the refrigerator. But when you don't have the time, also can be done. Also, you can see it looks like I have a little bit of a notch here. We'll just cover that up with buttercream and fondant. And just trim both of them that way. Okay, we could make barbecued steak or we could make sandals. But I think we'll make sandals today. So we're just going to crumb coat them.